Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐸𝐬𝐬 with another tutorial whether how you can create vertical videos or clips in Shotcut. So to do that, open Shotcut and start a project by giving it a name. And before adding videos to the Shotcut, here is the version I'm doing this on. Now add your video and drag it to the timeline. And here you can see that it's in horizontal layout. And you sure can detach the audio by right-clicking on it and delete it by pressing the delete key on your keyboard. Anyhow, to convert it, go to video mode under settings tab. Here you can see that it's on automatic by default, which means that if you add a video with horizontal aspect ratio, it will automatically pick that and show you the video in horizontal layout. And if you add a video with vertical aspect ratio, it will automatically show you the video in vertical layout. Anyhow, to change it, go to custom and click on add. Here it's giving you a warning to save the backup file of your project before making any changes because it does not automatically adjust things that are sensitive to size and position if you change resolution or aspect ratio. Since I want to change the layout or video mode from horizontal to vertical, I'm clicking on yes. Well, you can check this box and it will not warn you every time you change the video mode. Anyhow, just change the aspect ratio of the video from 16:9 to 9:16 and give it a name if you want. Well, I won't recommend you to change the resolution because it will affect the quality of the video, and then click on OK. Here, the layout of the video has just been changed from horizontal to vertical. Now, just select the video and apply a filter named Size, Position and Rotate. And adjust the video according to your needs. Also, if you want, you can add some color too if the video seems too bright. Now export the video and this is how the video will look like in vertical mode. And remember, your Shotcut video mode will remain the same if you don't change it, which means if you start a new project and add your videos, it will show them in vertical layout. So change it back to automatic before starting or working on a new project. And this is how you can create vertical videos or clips in Shotcut. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.